Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there. And remember, do it Mango. And hello everybody, welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's XRP, aka Ripple, analysis video. Now I'm gonna try and keep this one as short as possible. I did do an XRP analysis, I believe sometime last week, and some of the levels that I had discussed in that video are still relevant even today. But because in the live stream, a lot of you showed interest for an XRP analysis, I decided that, well, I'd cover XRP today on my daily video. So here we are on today's agenda. We are first going to be starting off with the Mango dashboard, and then I will be jumping on over to the charts. Okay, I do intend on covering the monthly time frame today because we are 4 days away from closing this month's candle, right? And I feel like XRP may very well give us a very interesting monthly close. So that is definitely something that I want to talk to you guys about. There may be opportunity on this chart. So first, getting on over to, well, the Mango dashboard. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame. Let's actually first start off with the weekly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and filter out XRP from the list. Now I'm starting off with the weekly time frame because I want to see what that macro prevailing trend really is, right? Is it bullish, is it bearish, or is it in consolidation? And right now, as sort of things have unfolded on this chart, XRPUSDT is still very much in bullish territory. Okay, it is still long, it is still bullish. This trend change came in 28.4 days ago. So much before, well, the pullback that we just saw on the chart, right? And if you manage to catch a trade based on this, okay, if you manage to catch a trade on XRP 28 days ago, you are still up a good 109%. Okay, so when I say still up, it's also despite the recent pullback that we saw, you would still be up a good 109%. And this is the magic of actually catching a beautiful trend trade on those macro time frames. This is a reason why Sean and I tell you guys to keep your eyes peeled on the macro time frames. Zoom out, because there's a good chance that you may see some glaring, beautiful opportunities on the chart. Okay, so one such opportunity was seen on XRP 28 days ago. Now, XRPBTC is still neutral, so that is something to note. I do believe, however, if the monthly closes well on XRPUSDT, we may very well see XRPBTC also take a run. Okay, now I'm not going to sort of just cut to the chase here. We'll be going over things systematically. Now, this is the weekly time frame. I also want to quickly go over the 4-hour time frame. Okay, now of course we did see that recent pullback that came in a couple of days ago, right? And XRP also had a drawdown because of that. However, XRPUSDT as well as XRPBTC is neutral. Okay, now I did do some preliminary analysis earlier today, and I do believe that this is an accurate sort of picture of what is happening on the 4-hour time frame primarily. Right, I also believe that it's a neutral picture. What I'll be looking out for on the dashboard is for XRPUSDT to give us that long trend change. Do I have an alert on this? I do have an alert. A quick tip for those of you who want to set alerts on the dashboard, it's literally just a click of a button. So as soon as the 4-hour for XRPUSDT flips long, I will essentially get alerted via email. Okay, so sort of keeps the trend in my face, whether I like it or not. But it's good. Sort of, you know, in bull markets, when things are moving fast, you want to be alerted on time. Okay, so XRPUSDT is neutral, and so is XRPBTC. I'll be looking for these trends to flip long as soon as the bulls start picking it up on the charts. So now let's get into the charts. Okay, I'm currently on the monthly time frame. I told you guys that I'll be starting off with the monthly. I've picked the Polo exchange to dissect this. Please note that I do not trade on Polo. I just use the charts because it is rich in price history. Okay, that's why that is one of the main reasons as to why I pick some really obscure exchanges to chart some of these coins on. It's because of price history. Okay, it's not necessary that I trade on there. Now, as far as XRPUSDT goes on the monthly time frame, let's go ahead and plot out some major sort of horizontals. Okay, so we have one coming in right around here. Okay, there is also this right here. And as far as resistance is concerned, we have this region that comes in at around $1.40. I'm marking these the last bull market highs. Okay, $1.40 going all the way up to $3.38. Okay, what I'll be looking for in order for me to anticipate continuation to XRP's all-time highs, I will be looking for price on the monthly time frame, okay, to close over this 82-cent region. Okay, I'm looking for a monthly candle body close over 82 cents. That is what is going to tip me off on XRP seeing that continuation to the upside. Because remember, the last time XRP lived over this region was only here on 1st of Feb 2018. That was in the last bull market. Okay, so this is multi-year resistance that XRP is currently living over. And it is very, very important. The last time we took out multi-year resistance was somewhere around this region right here. And we saw this beautiful candle to the upside, giving us, I don't know, what was this? This candle alone on the monthly was a good 177%. Okay, so the volatility is going to pick up. Now, is it necessary that it goes up in one straight line? No, absolutely not. We've seen instances where price will actually come back down, give us a test of the support that it just broke, only for price to then move up. Right? However, your first tell on how bullish the underlying asset is going to be price on those lower time frames. Are the bulls picking it up faster than you had anticipated? Right? Are they willing to buy in much before price actually hits support? It is such psychology on the chart that will help you gauge whether or not XRP is likely going to see immediate continuation. So look out for the price psychology. Right, but so far, guys, XRPUSDT on the monthly is looking good. 82 cents. Living over 82 cents is going to be key in the next 4 days. Okay, getting into the fresh new month of May. Damn, where is time going? But okay, monthly looking good. Okay, 82 cents is going to be critical. Now, getting on over to the weekly time frame. Okay, the last time we spoke about XRP, I had brought one of these weekly levels to your attention. Okay, and that was this one right here. This came in at around $1.37. Now, we had just about closed a weekly candle that day, right? I'm actually going to change the color of this so that we can distinguish between our monthly and our weekly levels. Alrighty, now we had just about closed a candle that day, and we were here. And I said, you know what, guys? We actually closed over this beautiful $1.38 region, okay, taking out resistance. However, we were looking for what? We were looking for a confirmation. I said that one candle is not going to be enough. I'll be looking for this weekly candle as well to close over $1.38 in order for me to anticipate continuation to the upside. But instead, the markets took a dump and XRP followed suit. Right, I'm also going to go ahead and switch on my Ichimoku cloud for this one. And what do we see here? As far as the weekly cloud is concerned, we are still in bullish territory, and I couldn't agree more just by looking at the structure of this. Okay, bullish territory. The TK cross is still bullish. We have the Tenkin over the Kijun, so that is a bullish crossover setup, as well as that 21 EMA that is currently living underneath price. Okay, so we still have that bullish crossover setup between the 10 SMA as well as that 21 EMA. So this right now is still looking good even after this candle to the downside. Now, this is something that I keep on harping on about, right? As soon as you see that volatility pick up to the upside, expect the same sort of volatility on the pullbacks as well. Okay, plan for it, prepare for it. When you're taking your positions, account for such things. Okay, not just your positions, even when you're looking at your stop losses. Understand the kind of volatility that you're playing with. That way you set your expectations well when the pullbacks do come in. Okay, so as things sort of unfolded, even on the weekly time frame, we did get supported on the Kijun right there. Okay, and as things are sort of playing out right now, we're seeing a beautiful, beautiful bounce across the board. So this is just XRP, but I'm noticing a bounce on Cardano, on Bitcoin. Ethereum is looking bloody strong. But at least the major MCAPs right now, we're actually seeing that bounce come in. And notice this. Okay, this also technically lined up with this region, this horizontal that comes in at around $1.05. Okay, now it was more of a range of sorts, but we did see a pickup there. But there was another level, okay, that gave us a tip on this region of support. And what was that? For those of you who actually did catch that last XRP video, if you now get on over to the 4-hour time frame, Okay, the last time we spoke about XRP, I had brought up this beautiful symmetrical triangle that was playing out, and I said, you know what, this is what is going to tip us off on us actually seeing continuation to the upside or to the downside. And I said, keep your eyes peeled on how price reacts off of that 4-hour cloud, because us losing that is going to be our first tip in that we are likely going to see continuation to the downside. Okay, that would have been an official break of that symmetrical triangle. Now remember, on a technical standpoint, a symmetrical triangle can swing to either direction. Okay, in this case, we actually broke to the downside. Now, if I have to just go ahead and plot in the measured move of the symmetrical triangle, place it on the break, where did that take XRP down to? 96 cents. Okay, so we pretty much got down to the wicks right here. Now, as far as the 4-hour time frame is concerned, and I'll be keeping my eyes peeled on the 4-hour time frame and us actually taking out the highs and really setting in that brand new higher low and higher high structure. And so far, we have one higher high that's been set in. Now notice, as soon as we actually saw that break to the downside, as well as this consolidation right here, price was being held down by that 21 EMA as resistance. Now this is the first time in a very long time where we've had 2 consecutive candle body closes over that 21 EMA. Okay, and it appears that we're about to get our third one. Now this price action right here is showing strength against an important region of support. Okay, not just that, guys, we have officially put in a new high on the 4-hour time frame, taking out this high right here as well as this high right here. Okay, what I'll be looking for is for now XRPUSDT to set in that higher low structure. As soon as we start living over $1.38 once again, I will be looking for further upside on XRPUSDT. Okay, at which point the first region of contention is only going to come in here at those highs. Okay, leading into the next month, if we get that nice candle body close that we're looking for over that 84-cent region, I'm saying that XRP is likely going to see continuation getting up to its all-time highs from the last bull market. Now, that's what I personally will be keeping my eyes peeled on. However, please note there is also the other side of the trade wherein price breaks down. So fine, we have one higher high here, but that is not enough. We want to see that beautiful bullish structure being set in. Okay, there is a chance that price could come down, and as soon as we start taking out this low right here, now this low came in at around 94 cents. As soon as we start taking out 94 cents to the downside, okay, I will be looking for continuation to the downside for XRP. All right, the next immediate support coming in at 84 cents. We start taking out 84 cents, then it gets volatile. Okay, the next region of support only comes in at 67 cents. But if I have to be honest, if I really have to sort of place my bets on XRP, of course, I'm always going to bet towards the side of the prevailing trend. And the prevailing macro trend right now is bullish. So I'll be looking for that structure to be set in. I could be wrong, but if I'm wrong, I'll take the loss and I'll get out. Okay. So far, XRP, it's looking like a revival. What will sort of be a solid set of confirmation is us actually getting back up over $1.37. Okay, $1.37, $1.38. As soon as we start seeing that, I'm saying that the bulls are now in control. We're likely going to start getting back up to these highs right here. Okay, now this is what XRPUSDT is up to. Let's now get into XRPBTC. We will only be covering this on the weekly time frame. Just when I said that, I'm noticing something very beautiful on this chart, at least on the 4-hour chart. Check this out. It's like a channel of sorts, or like a wedge, a falling wedge for XRP. We break to the upside. Where would this take XRPBTC up to? That would take us up to... nice. 2,967 sats, essentially testing these highs right here. Okay, so this is looking good, but of course we have not, we've yet to get that confirmation. I'll be looking for a confirmation break on this. Okay, I think it'd be a lot more solid if we can get past the Kijun. Notice how the Kijun was being used as resistance in this entire region right here, right? We try to get 1, 2, 3, 4 breaks of the Kijun, all 4 got rejected. Okay, so as soon as we start living over the Kijun here, that is going to be a solid tell on that XRPBTC may also start a bullish trend on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, but how about the weekly? How are we doing on the weekly? Alrighty, and now this is another thing that we had brought up in the last video, wherein price actually met with resistance, right? Cloud resistance, and it was pretty much this entire region. It was cloud resistance going all the way down to the Kijun, and that's why I have those two horizontal lines marked there. As sort of things played out, we actually broke down past the Kijun. Okay, the most immediate support sort of came in right here. Okay, so the first region of support came in at 1,930 sats, going all the way down to 1,600 sats. Okay, but it appears that we sort of got supported on that 1,900 sat region and got a nice swift pickup from there. Honestly, my thesis on XRPBTC stays the same. As soon as I start seeing price penetrate the weekly cloud, okay, I'll be looking for a candle body close on the weekly time frame inside the cloud. As soon as we get that, okay, a nice candle body close inside the cloud, I will then be looking for continuation to the upside. But it is going to be contingent on us actually closing a candle inside the cloud. Okay, but yeah, XRP it's not looking too bad right now, right? This too is pretty much trying to set in a structure of sorts, because things can't just go up in one straight line. It has to be like, there has to be some sort of ebb and flow in price action if we want the chart to be healthy. So what we're seeing here is a low being set in, a higher low being set in. Now we want to see where the next higher low is set in. Does it come here, right? Or is this it? Is this point where price is currently at the next higher low? So we're seeing the higher low structure being put in right now, and we're also seeing a higher high structure. So we essentially want price on the weekly time frame to continue this ebb and flow of price. Okay, higher lows and higher highs. That is going to be healthy price action. It's not just going to be healthy, it is going to be bullish price action, the price action that you want to base your trades off of. Okay, now weekly is looking it's looking decent. I want to see a confirmation on the higher low being put in right here. Okay, as soon as we start getting into the cloud, there's a good chance that we move up even further. Okay, now this is all I have for you for XRP. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. And yeah, with this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.